Hey everybody, I want to show you the easy way to generate all of the data definition language that you need, assuming you've gone through the process and have created a model. Or you could even use this modeling tool and then go through these steps to generate that for you. So this is that little example we had from before where we had a customer had many orders and a product was in many orders. So we had that many-to-many relationship solved here. Now a couple things, you do need to have this complete. Every table needs a primary key. You need to have the foreign keys properly defined. So two ways to go about it here. One is one table at a time. If you right click on a table here, you can do this Ddl preview, your data definition language preview, and it will give you, hey, here's the command, create table, here's the field, here's the type, here's the field, here's the type, here's the field, here's the type, and then it will give you, its format likes to add these after instead of adding in the constraints in the original definition. That's just how it likes to do it. So then we'll alter the table, add a constraint for the primary key here. So you can do one table at a time, or if you want to get all of them all at once in a single script here, you go to View, and you look at your Ddl File Editor, and then you're going to generate. So we can generate all of our queries, just everything checked should be fine here. We'll go OK, and it gives us everything out here. So we get customer with ID, last name, first name. We get the alter table to add the primary key. We get order with all the attributes, and we add the primary key. And then we get product. We add the constraint primary key. Then we go in, so after we've made all the tables, now we're going to go and add the foreign key. So we're going to alter order to add the foreign key for customer. We're going to alter order, add the foreign key for product. So this way you don't have to worry about the order in which the tables are created and the foreign keys are added, because we make all of the tables first, add the primary keys, and then we add all the foreign keys. So this is a helpful little script here that then you can take and you can just copy paste this into your online tool. Oh, I don't have mine open here. Where did it go? Let's see. And it will make those tables for you. Let's grab our Oracle tool here. And you're welcome to go and create all of those things there. Oh goodness, I got to get my password here on a 1Password. Just a second. Let me go grab that. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. Okay, turn back on for me. Now we get logged in. I'll grab my password. Oh, come on. Can't type here. All right, there we go. Open up, please. Yes, run the tool. All right, throw that on my other screen here. No, other screen, please. Other screen. There we go. And I'll go grab that and get logged in. Nope, I don't think it did it. Didn't copy. There we go, that looks better. So then I can take all of this DDL here, I'm going to copy it, or Control-C for copy. We'll come to our SQL here, and we can paste it in, and we can make some tables. It's going to be a lot of fun. So you all have those user logins here, so each one of those creates your own schema for you, which is cool. I'm going to paste it in. Now there's two run buttons here. You want the run all button, the one on the right here, runs the entire script rather than just runs the statement. The statement's just going to grab like the current thing you're touching. So run it all for this here when we're building it. And it should make our tables for us now. There we go. Get them all created. And if I refresh here, now I have customer, order, and product. I can see all my tables over here. I can see all their attributes if I open them up. Again, not the most interesting here, but I've got them all. Okay, so again, you want to use the tool. So if you've gone through the process to build the model out, you can have it generate it for you. Again, you don't have to. You're welcome to write all this stuff by hand. It's not the hardest thing in the world to write by hand either, right? It's the attribute name, type, and then not null if you want not null or any other constraints. The syntax for adding primary keys is probably the funkiest thing you're going to run into. But you can kind of copy paste most of it after you've seen an example or two. So you can go through and you can build all that out, and you can go from there. That's my shortcut.